what's up? Today I want to share with you a recipe for a beautiful baked orzo with mussels, all done in one pot, ready in under 45 minutes. Very classic, traditional Greek recipe. It is, other than delicious and very easy, it is also suitable for Lent. So, to start us off, first things first, I'm going to preheat my oven because I'm going to bake the orzo to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going. Start us off, I'm going to take one red onion. I use red, white, it doesn't matter. What I use is basically what's on sale. All right, perfect. My onion is done. Time to add a little Greek extra virgin olive oil to my pan. For this, I'm going to go fairly generous. I'm going to do about a quarter cup of olive oil. And part of the flavor profile is the oil. And there's that sizzle right away. Love that. Perfect. The next thing to go in is a couple of cloves of garlic. Now that the garlic and the olive oil has started simmering, I never get sick of that aroma. It's absolutely crazy. Beautiful. Now, a little bit, pinch of salt, a little fresh cracked black pepper will go in. Actually, not that little for me. When I say a little, it's a pretty generous amount. So now I'm just gonna saute this for maybe 3 or 4 minutes just to start getting my onions translucent. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to do half a teaspoon of cumin. I just want that background buzz. I don't want an overpowering cumin flavor. And I'm going to do 1 little clove. A whole clove is going to go in there. And you're going to think, well, it's only 1 clove. I promise you that 1 clove will be the backup like guitar in this whole symphony of flavor. And now to the main event. I've got 2 cups of orzo. I love cooking with orzo. Orzo to Greeks is huge. It is epic. We make this with everything. We make this on its own plain. We make it with seafood. We make it with beef. We make it with chicken. You know, there's all kinds of ways to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of char this up now and let it absorb some of the oil that's in my pan. Finally, I'm going to add a cup and a half of crushed tomatoes, or about 12 ounces, give or take. So a cup and a half is going to go in there. And because I'm using 2 cups of orzo, I'm going to basically put 8 cups of water into this as well. The orzo will absolutely absorb all of this, and we may even have to add some more at the end. It's looking good right there. One final seasoning before I throw it in the oven. A little bit of salt. So I'm going to pop this into my 400 degree oven that's already preheated for about 30 minutes. Now, the next part of this is my mussels. So I always prefer to get live mussels, depending on where you are. Strain these out, and then that way, give them a quick wash and a quick inspection as well. Now, here's the thing. I don't want the ones that don't close at this point. So if they're open at this stage of the game, forget it. Don't mess around with them. It's just not worth it. My mussels, once you close them and they're closed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and I'm going to slowly just insert them in here like that. This is all about setting up the plate or the dish, so when you present this, it is going to be absolutely fantastic. Now, you don't want to put them too close either, because I want to give some room for the opening of the shells. I think I'm pretty much there. I'm pretty much ready to go. So now, my oven's still at 400. This is going to go in exactly the way it is for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until all my mussels here open up. Showtime, baby. This is the one. All my mussels have opened perfectly. It not only smells delicious, it actually looks delicious as well. Fantastic. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm getting the background buzz of the tomato and the tomato sauce and the spices. I'm also getting that sea freshness, that saltiness, the seafood aroma that's in here. It's captivating, absolutely captivating. I'm gonna try this just like this. This is such a beautiful, well-rounded meal. Oh my gosh. Look at this. My orzo is done perfectly. Yeah. That's not going to be hot at all. Oh. Oh my gosh. That is so delicious. How good can this get when it's so simple, all in one pot, done in like 45 minutes less, and and because I'm afraid of going to hell, I'm not going to serve this with any cheese. It's during this Lenten period, but it is what it is. So, my friends, that's it for this episode on my baked orzo with mussels. I really hope you guys try this. It is a super simple, uncomplicated recipe that you can make anytime, and it's a lot of fun. Feed a crowd that everybody's going to love, because you can tell the kids it's pasta, and who doesn't love pasta? For more recipes like this, check me out online at kensgreektable.com. Again, I thank you for your time. Please take care of yourselves and each other. And until next time, I will definitely see you on the next one. Much love. Bye for now.